I picked up this Dolmar PS9000 from a fella with a couple of Shindawas. He told me it didn't have any spark. I was okay with that. Started looking into it, looking harder at the coil and how dirty it was. Soon I found the score mark along the flywheel, which led to something. I pulled the coil itself and found that the armature had made contact with the coil and welded together. I tried to clean that up and get spark, but couldn't, so I had to replace it. I did find information about this universal coil, about $14, and used that to make the replacement. So I started cleaning the saw, getting ready to put it all together. Came out pretty well. It was in pretty good shape, the saw itself, other than it had no spark. When I got the coil, the thing I had to do is machine out the back of the armature so that it would allow it to fit. I have to machine a lot further to the coil. Here you can see the old coil in place, and notice the position of the armature to the magnet block. Here's a new coil. Notice the armature to position block. The magic in it is right here. I had to clock the flywheel about 2 fins clockwise to make it work. So I finished putting it back together, cleaned it up, painted the muffler. Looks pretty good.